Hello, racer fans. We're coming up to Longmont, Florida. I am Bobby, and I'm Nelson. And here are the contestants. Here comes Ron. There is Johnson. Looks like we have young Danakin Prime, Lucky Boy. Go Danny, hottest child I've ever seen. I hope Danakin has never completed his cart before. Huh? Said what? Hey, are Danakin's gonna win? No, but Ron would win. Oh, what if he lose? I don't know. Ready, get set, and go! Oh no! Oh wait, little Prime is stuck. Oh, no, come on! And also Ben Nicholson was having trouble also. Come on, stupid cart! Come on, Danny, it's Danakin. And there goes Danakin, Danny, that's his name, like I like to squat. So, come on, that's right, it'll back way to the leader. I'll show you who's stupid. See ya later, sucker. Howdy, Master Danakin.